may have heard at some point growing up in church or told by somebody to not question God. Asking questions to God is not good for you. Shouldn't do it. Stay away from it. As we're journeying through the book of Job, I hope you can see how asking questions to God is not offensive to God. In fact, dare I say, God welcomes us to ask questions, to seek him in the form of asking questions. I think the bigger draw and bigger point behind our journey through Job, besides clearance and availability for us to ask God questions, is to understand that there are some questions that we ask that not only we really don't want the answer to like we think we do, we also can't really fathom the answer that God actually could give if he really felt inclined to answer the questions that we may raise. So I think what could really be a good takeaway from this are two things. Questions and asking questions aren't sinful and aren't offensive to God. And be mindful of the questions that you seek answers from God about, because there are some questions that God just simply won't give because our finite minds can't even contain the capacity of the answer he could grant. And in a lot of cases, the answers that God gives may not be something we'll appreciate and like, or even be favorable or comfortable for the suffering we're going through. It's not to spook you away from asking questions. Ask all the questions you desire. Just know that whether God gives an answer or he doesn't, he's still righteous, he's still just, he's still good, and still trustworthy. Hey, listen, if you're interested in more short form biblical content, please don't forget to like and share this video, leave a comment. Helps your boy out understanding if you guys want to see more of it. And if you are interested in summaries of books of the Bible, don't forget to check out the playlist section. There you'll find a range of books from Old to New Testament that we have covered and we've walked through, giving summaries over each chapter along with takeaways and themes of the books. And as always, until next time, my friend, be easy and be breezy. Peace.